Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. So in this session, I'm going to discuss about how to configure the screen layout and what is the use of the screen layout in asset accounting. So first of all, I will brief about the screen layout, then I will go into the configuration and I will show you the step by step how to create the screen layout and this all. So screen layout which determines the field status in the master record, and the screen layout will be assigned to the asset classes. So that all asset classes, all the assets in that asset class will have the similar field status. So generally in general ledger module, we will be creating a GL accounts. Before creating the GL accounts, we will be maintaining the account groups in OBD3 transaction, where we will be having a control whenever I'm creating the GL account, which field to be required entry, which field to be optional. We have field status. Like in the same way, when I am going to create a asset master record in SAP, there will be a lot of fields will be there. So those all the fields will be controlled by the field status group of screen layout. Screen layout will act as a like a field status group only. So here we will see the configuration now. I'm just accessing the SPRO path and SAP reference IMG, and then come down to financial accounting, and here in the asset accounting and in the organization structure, and then asset classes, and then here create screen layout rules. So just execute this one. So for to access this one, we need to come through path only, so there is no transaction code is there. So first of all, I am copying the screen layouts from the existing ones, and then I will go inside. There is another configuration we need to do, where we can check which is mandatory, which is optional, and which is display. So let me copy these things. I need buildings and plant and machinery, furniture and vehicle and AUC. Just click on copy, and then set 001, 002, 003, 004, and set 99. So to identify my screen layouts, I have been entering this my company code description here. So now I have created the screen layout. Just hit on enter and click on save here. So now we have created the screen layout, but we need to define which field should be optional, which field should be required entry. So for that, go one step back here, and here come down to the master data here, and click on screen layout, and here you can see define screen layout for asset master data, and then click on execute here and define screen layout for asset master data. Just select this one and click on position and enter your screen layout which you have created. Let 001. So this is my screen layout. Just select this one and click on logical field group, and here we will be having these many tabs when we are creating the asset master record in SAP. I will show you. Let me access to another screen. So to create the asset master record, we need to use the transaction code AS01, and here we need to mention the asset class. So in my case, I have not created the asset class, so I will be using the existing asset class to show you. So we'll use this one 1101 1000 asset class, and then company code this one, then hit enter. Not allowed. Okay, let me use another. Okay, so we will be having multiple tabs here. So in the general, you will see the general data. So all the general data related fields will be controlled in this screen. So if you can select this one and go to the field groups, you will see the description 1 and 2. So here you can see description 1 and 2, and then asset main text and long text, inventory number, unit of measure. You will see all these fields here. So based on your requirement, you can put a required entry, or else you can only display, and you can, if you select this one, no, it will be suppressed, that entry will be suppressed. So based on this setup only, system will populate the fields here. Okay, and likewise here we have a time dependent. So I need to enter something here. And the time dependent, okay, I will go one step back again. Here you can see the time dependent field. So just select that one and click on field group rules. So here we can see we have a license plate number. It's set as a no, suppressed. So you will be not be able to see that entry here, license plate number. So okay, so you come down to the cost center. So here cost center is put it as optional. So you will be able to see this optional field here. So likewise, we will be having all the fields will be controlled in the screen layout level only. Okay, so I'm going one more step back here, and then click on save. So that's all in this session. Thank you so much.